everyone, myself Dr. Sadhna Singh. Today we are going to discuss the pharmacology of drugs which are used in treatment of cough. First of all, definition of cough. Cough is a protective reflex intended to remove irritant and accumulated secretion from the respiratory passage. Now, let me classify drugs which are used in treatment of cough. First, we have drugs which are pharyngeal demulcent. Example of pharyngeal demulcents are lozenges, glycerin, licorice. Then we have drugs which are expectorants. For productive cough, we can use expectorants or mucokinetics. Productive cough is one where there is production of expectoration. Productive cough should be made easier by using expectorants because in this sputum or expectoration may be very viscid or thick. By using expectorants or mucokinetics, this particular thick expectoration have to liquefy and then that should be spit out. Expectorants are two types, a secretion enhancer and as well as mucolytics. Example of secretion enhancer expectorants are potassium citrate, potassium iodide, guaifenesin, tolubolsam, Vasaca, ammonium chloride. Example of mucolytics are bromhexine, ambroxol, acetylcysteine, carbocisteine. Next are antitussive. Antitussive can be used for non-productive cough. Non-productive cough is the one where individual will have dry cough. Now remember, this particular dry cough is unnecessary cough or it is useless cough. This dry cough should be suppressed by using antitussive agent. Antitussive are opioids, non-opioids, antihistaminics, pulmonary receptor desensitizer. Example of opioid antitussive are codeine, ethyl morphine. Example of non-opioid antitussive are nascapine, dextromethorphan, clofidinol. And antihistaminics, example of antihistaminics are chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine, promethazine. Lastly, in pulmonary receptor desensitizer, chief drugs are prenoxidine. Okay, thank you.